Can we prove or disprove Einstein's theory of relativity using logic? You've got to have a clock moving near the speed of light very fast. We can't do that. We can't approach the speed of light. We don't have the means to propel anything that fast. Plus, we cannot fix a stationary clock. Nothing is stationary. Everything is in motion. Suppose you're looking at a star that's moving from lower left to upper right, and around it is a planet. The planet is in motion around the star, and the planet itself is spinning. As the whole solar system moves through the galaxy, and our galaxy is moving relative to other galaxies, everything is in motion. There is no stationary clock, nor can we propel a clock, a very accurate clock, to such speeds required to measure time dilation, which he should have called time dilution. Einstein says that when things move very fast, they become very massive and they become very large, and time stops. I say all of this is BS nonsense. It's useless, it's irrelevant, plus it cannot be proven. But it can be disproven, as I'm showing you here. Imagine a star moving from left to right, from lower left to upper right. Around it is a planet. It's spinning very fast, and the whole solar system is moving across the galaxy, and our galaxy is moving relative to other galaxies. Nothing is motionless. You can only have a clock that's motionless relative to the second clock, but both clocks are in motion, and it doesn't matter if one clock is motionless relative to the second clock. Both clocks are moving, and that destroys the whole experiment. You cannot fix a stationary clock in space that is not moving, nor can you propel the second clock at very high speeds close to the speed of light. We can go nowhere near the speed of light. The fastest we can go is like 10 miles per second, and the speed of light is almost 2,000 miles per second. We cannot propel anything very fast, nor can we fix the first clock in a stationary position. There is no evidence that mass increases, and matter of fact, there's evidence that mass does not increase with speed, because an electron moving at the speed of light, according to Einstein, would become infinitely massive, and it's not infinitely massive. It has almost no mass whatsoever. Oh, but it must not be a particle. This is a subject that people can argue about, but I remind you, it's useless, it's irrelevant, there's no proof. Why bother with it? It's BS. Einstein's theory of relativity is BS. Oh, but you've got to understand it in order to understand the universe. No, you don't. The universe is more of the same. It's what you see around you, and it extends over a great distance. It doesn't change with distance. You can examine the universe where you are.